one of the most sick looking, feature loaded and super refined inline 4 bike you could ask for under 10 lakh rupees. The 2020 model gets a new front design inspired from its supercharged sibling, the ZH2. The dual semi-floating 300mm paddle discs with 4-piston Nissan calipers at the front with ABS gives you all the confidence you need while slowing down this beast. It gets all new graphics, and this matte black red trim is the perfect paint scheme for this monster. The new Dunlop Sportsmac Road Sport 2 tires contributes to its superb handling character. The bike still retains the iconic V-shaped tail light, and the Sugami design never fails to give you chills. The seat height has been increased to 820mm, and the fuel tank is a reasonable 17 liters. The new model gets an all-digital TFT color screen, comes with a host of features like smartphone connectivity through the Rideology app. It also gets the all-new 3 levels of traction control, 3 riding modes like the rain mode and the road mode, where it cuts off almost 45% of the peak power, and the sports mode, where you get all the power you need to fly off with this bike. Now the bike gets all LED lighting at the front, and even the indicators are now LED.